Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 robot vacuum cleaner. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Liectrix G7 LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Liectrix. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.5 liter. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes. LCD, no. Cleaning route, plan type. Timing reservation, yes. Dust storage type, dust box. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, 45 watts. Product number 2, Robot Vacuum Cleaner Liectrix. Specifications. Brand name, Liectrix. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.5 liter. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. LCD, no. Cleaning route, plan type. Timing reservation, yes. Dust storage type, dust box. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Power, 40 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Navigation, LiDAR plus SLAM, 360 degrees swiftly scanning. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms. Product number 1, Abir X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Abir. Battery type, Li-ion. Turbo brush, yes. Dust box capacity, 0.6 to 1 liter. Filter type, HEPA. Battery life, 2 hours. Cleaning route, plan type. Bag or bagless, bagless. Timing reservation, yes. Special suction nozzle, efficient brush. Installation, robot. Power, 32 watts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Voltage, 14.8 volts. Remote control, yes. Weight, 3 to 6 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.